and welcome back to Wow Auto Car. Today, we're taking a journey back in time to explore the legendary Ford Model T, the car that revolutionized the automotive industry and put the world on wheels. Introduced by the Ford Motor Company in 1908, the Model T, affectionately known as the Tin Lizzie, was designed with simplicity, durability, and affordability in mind. Henry Ford's vision was to create a car for the masses, and he succeeded beyond expectations. The Model T featured a lightweight yet robust chassis made of vanadium steel, providing strength without excessive weight. Its high ground clearance and sturdy construction made it well suited for the rough roads of the early 20th century. Under the hood, the Model T was powered by a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine that produced 20 horsepower, capable of reaching top speeds of about 40 to 45 miles per hour. It utilized a planetary gear transmission with 2 forward gears and 1 reverse, operated by a foot pedal system that was revolutionary at the time. One of the most significant innovations introduced with the Model T was the moving assembly line in 1913. This groundbreaking manufacturing process reduced the production time of a single car from over 12 hours to just about 90 minutes. This efficiency allowed Ford to continuously lower the price of the Model T, making car ownership attainable for middle-class families. The impact of the Model T on society was profound. It provided unprecedented mobility to the average person, enabling families to travel, explore new areas, and even move to suburban regions. This newfound freedom reshaped the cultural and social landscape of the early 20th century, influencing urban development and the way people lived and worked. By the end of its production in 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been built and sold, making it the most produced car model of its era. Its legacy is timeless, as it laid the foundation for modern car culture and is often credited with creating a mobile society. The Model T's technological and cultural impact is still evident today, setting benchmarks for durability and mass accessibility. Even today, the Model T continues to make its mark. In Michigan, the Department of Transportation still uses a Model T to audit the shoulders of rural roads. The vehicle's axle width closely matches that of horse-drawn buggies used by local Amish and Mennonite communities, making it ideal for ensuring road safety for all users. The Ford Model T is more than just a car, it's a symbol of innovation, democratization, and transformation. By making automobiles accessible to the average person, the Model T fundamentally changed the way society functioned, laying the groundwork for the modern transportation infrastructure we rely on today. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wow Auto Car for more automotive stories, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Share your thoughts or Model T experiences in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you.